All right, so let's talk about the market recap, and then I will actually show you the trade we got into. Um, so my first entry was right here, where I tried to take this breakdown, and our stop loss was right here. I ended up closing in here. I didn't let it go to a full stop loss when I realized it was pushing back up. And then I waited for since the 45-minute didn't work, I waited for the 2-hour end cap, which is right here. And we got these wicks into this, and then price pushed down. And when it closed below the 45 zone, this yellow right here, I entered the trade. My stop loss went up above the 2-hour zone right here. And we targeted we can't see it because price is blowing through it. So we'll just cut this out of here so that we can see this real quick. And then I targeted this previous 2-hour zone. There was no other zones available, so I had to target that. But we had our profit lock set for $500 with 1M NQ, and it ended up closing right here. But as you can see, it kept going and going and going. But that's fine. We are about consistency here at Hunters Club, and we have profit goals, and when they get hit, they get locked, right? And if you notice, these 2-hour zones are hitting today. Here's another one right here, rejected and shot straight down. So these end cap zones are extremely powerful areas. There are tons of unfulfilled orders sitting in there just waiting to be filled. And then when they do, things happen. Here comes the trade.
Started in the red, now I'm chasing green. Day by day, I'm living the dream. Charts don't lie, they show the truth. Futures market made me bulletproof. They called it a gamble, they said I'd fall, but I saw my future through a glowing wall. Candles burn bright, the patterns speak. Every tick is a chance to climb's not weak. Late nights grinding, no time to lose. Betting on myself, I'm paying my dues. The brokers laughed, the odds were steep, but now I'm trading while they're fast asleep. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. Oh, I watched the ticks rise, I felt the pain, but I kept my cool through loss and gain. Risk defined, I played it smart. Each move I make is a work of art. No crystal ball, just logic and skill. I'm bending the market to match my will. The screen's my canvas, the trend's my muse. I'm the future in motion, I never lose. Every line's a lesson, every chart's a clue. I've got the blueprint, I know what to do. The past was a struggle, but now it's clear. I'm chasing the future, I'm shifting the gear. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. I've felt the fear, I've seen the storm, but pressure's the fire where diamonds are born. The charts keep moving, the ticks don't rest. In the game of futures, I'm passing the test. Win or lose, I keep my stride. The market's my battleground, I'm alive. Every contract signed, every profit gain. It's all about the hustle, no love for the chain. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags The market king wins. I started with nothing, just a vision and grit. Now I run the market, I never quit. From rags to riches, I earned my throne.
So if you want to get on the action, go over to breakouthunter.com, click on the 50% off, put in your email, get a coupon, come join us for half off for the first month.